How to clear system data on Windows. Hi everyone, on today's video we will learn how we can clear system data on Windows. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So to clear system data on your Windows, you will want to remove unnecessary system files that are taking up your disk space, such as your temporary files, previous Windows installations, update cache, logs, and hibernation data. So to clear it, you could use the disk cleanup built-in tool in your Windows. For that, you have to press Windows and ASCII on your keyboard, and in the search bar, search for disk cleanup and click on it. After that, you have to select your C drive, then click on OK. And here you have to click on Cleanup System Files. After that, again select your C drive, click on OK. Then it will restart the scan with admin rights to delete the system files. So wait for a while. So from here, you could select the option. So now you could select your Windows Update Cleanup, scroll through it and search for it. If you could find it, you can select it. You could also select Delivery Optimization Files, select Temporary Internet Files, and then select your previous Windows installations if you can find it here. So scroll through it and select the folder or files that you want to delete. You could select your recycle bin. You could select system recovery log files. And also there are some other options you can delete, such as your temporary Windows installations, etc. So once you select the files that you want to delete, you have to click on OK from here, then confirm to delete the files. Now, this will also help you free up your disk space. So in this way, you can clear your system data on Windows, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.